We're taking this engine apart because it's been in a fire. You can see the extinguisher powder quite clearly there, and also around this side. It was caused by a fuel leak on this side of the engine. Now you can see that quite clearly, but the interesting thing is that this throttle linkage is quite loose. Look at that. And that is exactly how it came out of the car. And this side, the throttle linkage had no return spring on it from a previous repair, and I don't know how it was supposed to return to idle correctly, but anyway, apparently it was. So we'll fix all that, get the engine back up to scratch, and get it back for the customer.